What the heck did Rick bring down here for me today? A remote control moon car.
Frankie Cheese Vintage Toy Adventures. Ooh.
What the heck is this? I have no idea. But it says remote control moon car. Magic wand dictates direction. You can see here. Go left, go right, forward, reverse. Rotating magic eye that finds a path. I'm not sure what this is. It says it's got a magic wand to control the direction. It's made by Knickerbocker, or made in Knickerbocker, Hollywood, California. I don't see a toy maker on here. It's number 185. But we'll do a little bit of research and see what this is. This isn't the original plastic. It was used to protect it. So he did give me permission to open this up. So let's go ahead and unpeel this. We'll call this the unboxing. I haven't looked at this thing yet. Looks like you paid $25 for it. Was it worth it? Put it in the comments. I haven't found much information on this on the internet. Other than a website said it was produced in 1960. So you're in that era. I guess moon car, I guess when they're doing the space race and all that stuff. I hope there's no chupacabras hiding here. Oh, look at this thing. Yeah, this is definitely sitting for a very long time. Let's see what we got going on in this box. Got a dome. Yep. It's got a crack on it. Put that there. There we go. Oh, isn't that pretty cool, huh? Look at that. Knickerbocker Moon Car. Take a quick break there. The camera stopped. I've been having that issue. But anyways, so the Knickerbocker Moon Car. A whole globe there with a crack. Got to pull the magic wand out of there. Yeah, what do we got in here? Ooh, any other parts in here? No. Vintage. That's not COVID. That's what's that? 1918 flu. That's 1918 bird flu. And what do we have here? Look at that. There is the original directions. I'm gonna have fun reading that. However, I want to take a look at the box. Look at that. I'm not sure how this was supposed to be presented, but there we go. It's the magic remote control moon car, space wand, start stops motor, drives in all directions, battery operated. I'm curious how this thing works, that's for sure. It definitely looks like it has seen some better days. Yeah, you can see it's pretty toasted. Looks like somebody tried to fix it before, unsuccessfully. We got some Scotch tape on there. We got a missing wheel, but still pretty cool. I've never really seen one of these before. Pretty cool indeed. Let's read these instructions. I'm gonna read this in my best commercial voice. The Magic Eye Moon Car, battery operated, number 185. The Knickerbocker Magic Eye Moon Car is a toy manufactured with precision parts. Sealed on the inside with care. This safe toy will give you many hours of fun and enjoyment for the entire family to share. Number 1. This is how you use this now. Insert batteries as per the diagram on the bottom side of the battery housing.
You better put your batteries in the right direction. You'll have a rocket explosion.
I need like a stewardess to give like a safety. Number 2. The control stick in white molded plastic, fancy plastic, space plastic, has 3 positions: eye motion, travel, and neutral. Oh, it does move. By moving the control stick in one direction, the Magic Eye Moon Car searches with its roving eye for the direction to take. La 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 la. Then, by movement of the stick to the exact opposite position, the Magic Eye Moon Car travels to that same direction the eye is pointed. The middle position is neutral. This holds the car in and off. And this moves the car at shutoff. Get that right. Number 3, keep the drive wheel bottom clean at all times. Number 4, magic wand. Boop. Bada bing. I got this. Magic wand, please fix this car. The magic wand may be used to control all action, as well as release the shooting mechanism trigger, and darts in the forward undersection of the Magic Eye Moon Car. I didn't know it had darts. Why? It does. There's 2 holes for darts. It don't have the darts. But still pretty cool. I guess you can shoot your neighbors. Shoot your neighbor's cat. The Magic Eye Moon Car, new from Knickerbocker. Try saying that 3 times as fast. Knickerbocker. I did it. But check out the back of this thing. All right, got 2 kids playing. Fun for the entire family. Creators and manufacturer of toys with play appeal.
Daddy, I got the Magic Moon Car.
And it's patent pending. The Magic Eye Moon Car, straight from Hollywood, California, from Knickerbocker Toys. Ba-da-ba-ba. Anyways, this thing's pretty beat up. It's definitely seen some better days. But my buddy Rick was nice enough to bring this down for me to look at. I think it's really cool. I think anything I can do to maybe help this car, maybe even get it running, would help. But this is going to take all the skills of the elf. This thing is in rough shape. But hey, we'll give it a go. You never know. We might be able to fix it. We got a wheel to replace. Maybe look at getting some darts for this thing. But look for, I guess, part 2, if I do a part 2 for this. I'm not sure. It seemed pretty short, and maybe we'll try to fix this up a little bit and get it running again. It's worth a shot, don't you think? It's kind of cool. I like to see it work. And it's got the little gear shifter here. This ain't your daddy's Etzel. Abracadabra. Well, smell you later, folks. And remember, if you enjoy this channel, please subscribe. I need more subscribers. It gives me something to do. What are you going to do? Have a good day.